Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a passkey on your NC Wallet application account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the NC Wallet app on your device. And once you are taken into the wallet page, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. Now within this page, tap on security. And now you will see various different security options. Tap on the passkey option and then tap on create passkey. You will be asked to enter your password or provide a biometric authentication. If you have set up a two-factor authentication, you will also be asked to enter the verification code that is sent to your two-factor authentication app. So just check the code within the Authenticator app and you can tap on it to copy it to your clipboard. Then simply enter it within the given box and now your passkey will successfully be added. You can tap on the OK button and now you can choose what sort of actions you would like to protect with your passkey. Tap on the toggle to enable or disable, and then tap on Save Changes to save the changes that you have made. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to set up a passkey within your NC Wallet application account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.